Welcome back, you beautiful, gorgeous, amazing people. I see you and I know you're not subscribed, so subscribe to this channel because I'm reaching 100 subscribers before Christmas as much and as hard as I can. Also, got a brand new haircut again for you guys. We're back again. Had a look at the car. We actually went and had a look at the 4DoorGang 2 days ago, yesterday, and it's running beautifully, as you guys will see. Now,
Yeah, Max, you watched it.
oh, that sounds so much better.
You know you've got some missing parts here. Engine cover.
Yeah, that one's at home. Yeah, I'll take that one out. How long did it take to get to the spark plugs and that?
Oh, a good hour. You have to remove the intake manifold.
Yeah, and was the air filter in the way?
Yeah, I have to take all that out. And the clamp.
Yeah.
You got that at home, the clamp?
Nah. So I'm missing that then.
Yeah, it's a special clamp. It looks like these could stick into the clamp.
So it's running beautifully. The only thing is I can't take it home yet because I've got to pay the full payment and I'm still trying to pay it off. At least I know it's back, it's healthy, and yeah, I'm just so happy to see it. Oh my god, I'm so happy to see you. So add me on Snapchat, DiCaprio.Leo, if you really want to. Up to you, but you should do it. But I know you should do it. But only if you want to, but you should do it. It's been like a week and a bit without a car, and all my mates are just giving me, you know, a hard time about it. So one of them, his name's Ahmed, he tagged me in this photo, right?
It's of Pablo, and she's just sitting there in his pool, watching outside, and the tag is watching your friends have fun with their cars while yours isn't running. This guy thinks he's slick.
I just started laughing because he's kind of in the same position as I am. He stuffed up his car as well, gotten written off. But yeah, he's still waiting. He's gonna buy a new one, and I mean mine's already fixed. Just gonna pay it off. So I called it as well on my last video. It was misfiring a bit, the car. So it could be just the spark plugs or the coil packs. Why it was misfiring at the same time, you know. I didn't want to be right, but yeah, it was, you know, what it was. Just the coil packs, and what the coil packs do is... These are the coil packs that I had in my car. So what these are is, and the reason why I have 6 of them is because my car has 6 cylinders because it's a straight 6 engine, right? I'm not going to bore you guys too much on, you know, the exact definition of what these are. They're the ones that connect with the spark plugs to create spark so the car can run. Is like the shortest term I can say it as. What we found out is why my car was even misfiring. It is because they are all different. And I'll show you why. So, this is a pair on itself. This is the random one that, no, they replaced. But these ones are the genuine Nissan Skyline coil packs that they have in the Skylines. Okay. So you've got the 3 main ones, you know, and then I don't know how, but for the ones who had the car before me, or whoever had the car before I did, replace these other 2 and just one by itself. So it's just, yeah, just weird. We got a whole brand new set, which is in my car now. But yeah. So yeah, those are the coil packs that we got them fixed up for. The ones that were in my car. I don't know why they had 3 different sets. Anyway, it's all fixed now though. Just gotta keep working to pay off the car. Quick shout out to the MGR Motors guys for fixing my car. Also, I don't know if you guys have taken your car to a shop and, you know, look after it, they fix it, and these guys had a look for it for me, like top to bottom, like full on. And if only I recorded what he said when he first called me while I was at work. He's like, yup, it's actually been one of the cleanest engine in, you know, Aotearoa I've ever seen in my life. I was like, oh, thank you. But I do try my best to keep it as clean with everything inside and out, because yeah, it's my car. Also, did you know that they cleaned the car for me as well? I don't know if you guys have, you know, taken your car somewhere, and not only did they fix the problem, with a discount for me as well, they cleaned my car. Not that it was dirty, it's because, you know, the guy that, you know, that works there, Max, the one that owns the Golf car. Met this guy Max, he's a worker here.
How's it going?
He said he looks after every car like it was his own. Shout out to you, my man. I went there and it was clean. Like, he full on vacuumed everything inside the car and washed it as well. So yeah, thanks to you, my bro. Don't be discouraged just because, you know, you guys have a shitty week. Just keep thinking about the positive and keep going on your day. Wake up, take a shower, do you. Just keep on the positive. Last week I was kinda, you know, a bit down, but I always pick myself back up because I know tomorrow is a new day. Thank you guys for coming to the end of this video again. Comment, like, subscribe if you really want to. If not, I don't really care. No, I'm joking, you should really do it because I'm trying to get the 100 subscribers by the end of December. Please, thank you. See you guys in the next one.